Hello people, this is Ishita here. Today I'm going to talk about skincare and various kind of steps and routines regarding that, and I hope this video will be helpful to you people, those who have many kind of doubts after seeing many of the tutorials available in net. So the first point today I'm going to talk about that is what kind of YouTuber or what kind of skincare routine you are going to follow. You are going to see bunch of YouTubers doing a skincare routine or a nighttime or a daytime routine or a morning routine for you. But the thing is that before you start following somebody's skincare routine, just try to figure out that fellow is from your native area or not, or like the place where you are staying, that fellow is staying in that kind of climate or not. Because once we start using any particular product, that product does good for us only if those certain things are maintained. For example, if the humidity of your area is not same that kind of what that fellow is having, if your skin is oily and that fellow have a dry skin, and if you have a problem of acne and that fellow is not having, then everything is going to turn out. So do not follow anybody's particular skincare routine trying to figure out what is just perfect for you, because your skin type may be just not oily, you may have a oily and a combinational skin as well. So try to figure out that. And then the second point what today I'm going to talk about is most of the YouTubers are going to show you 11 to 15 steps of skincare routine. Actually that is what the standard skincare routine stands for. You should go through all these phases, those are scientifically proven, everything. But the thing is that most of us do not have that much of patience doing all these things for the whole year or all the seasons. We cannot do. Many of us are working for more than 10 hours or even 5 to 6 hours a day. So it turns out to be much more horrible for us, because what happens for the first 3 to 4 days we try to follow that all 11 to 15 steps, but afterwards what we do, we totally skip out the whole skincare routine thinking that we have to follow the whole bunch of 11 to 15 steps, whereas we do not have that much time to complete that thing out. So what you can do, figure out what your skin needs the most. For example, you totally have a damaged skin, then at least you do not do anything, clean your skin totally, then go for a moisturizer at least at nights. At least that thing you can do. Figure out that single step at least what you can start with, then increase it daily once you are already in a routine. Increase step by step once you take time for completing the whole process. It will take time. Once you will be in a routine, you can add up on that. So keep that thing in your mind. Then the third thing is that choose a product that is pocket friendly. For example, if I talk about a single moisturizer which comes for example 500 or 1000 bucks, so many of us cannot afford that particular moisturizer. Many of us cannot directly go and invest 1000 rupees just in a single moisturizer. So do not just see that that fellow is using that particular moisturizer, I have to take the same moisturizer. Or sometimes what happens, if you are following a YouTuber from any other country, because of currency difference, that product comes to India with a much more costlier price compared to how much he's spending. And the thing is that in India we do have a bunch of product for skincare. Try to figure out what is good for you. Try to find out that what will suit you. Try out something which comes in Indian currency, spend to, like, you can have a product starting from 100 rupees range to even 300 rupees range if you want to have. For example, if I talk about a moisturizer, you can go for Johnson's Baby normal cream, then you can go for Himalayas baby cream, then you can go for, if you want a much more costlier product, you can go for Lakme products, you can go for something kind of that according to what is available here. And then the fourth point is that skin does not turn out to be perfect. Do not expect your skin to be just perfect. We all are human beings and we are made to be imperfect. So do not expect that everything will turn out to be perfect. And once you have just a single pimple, do not feel like, yeah, I have a pimple, yeah, something kind of that. Do not feel that nobody else have that. Just because of the camera lens, just because of the lighting what people are using in YouTube, you are going to find out people do have a much more better skin compared to yours. But it is not true. If I show you my skin right from here, it's looking that I do not have anything going on in my skin. I do not have any dark spot, I do not have any pimple kind of that. It's looking kind of that just from this distance. If I come close to this camera, you can find out what actually my skin is, because now at present on my skin I'm not wearing any makeup. I have makeup going on in my eye and my lips. You can see what exactly the skin looks like once it is just too close to the camera. As you have seen, I have many dark spots, I have many small rashes going on in my skin, but from this much of a distance it's not clear. So do not think your YouTuber or that fellow have a perfect skin and you are going to follow a particular routine kind of that. You too will have a perfect skin. Nobody is perfect. We do have fine lines, we do have something kind of that, and this much is enough. I'm happy with my skin at present because I do not have any running pimple or anything kind of that. So I can feel that, yeah, my skincare routine was just good for me. It's working for me. So that is the level. You have to be satisfied after a level that, yeah, it cannot turn out much more perfect, because once in a month or 5 to 6 times in a month you can have 1 or 2 pimples going on in your face. That's perfectly fine. We are not perfect. We have to understand that thing. We have to accept that thing. The last point, or the 5th point, what today I'm going to talk about is your skin is the mirror of your health or mirror of your body health. Because once something is going inside or you have a health issue inside, your skin cannot look just perfect. Because people, those who have hormonal imbalances, those who are suffering through some diseases, those who have indigestions of kind of those stuffs, your skin will not turn out to be that much glowy whatever you use on that. Because whatever is happening inside, the chemicals are, or the sweat or the poisons are trying to come out with the pores. So once you're from inside you are not that healthy, from outside you are not going to have that glow. So try to figure out, once if you have any pimple or something, that big major issues, that what is causing that pimple. Do not run after something, yeah, what can remove the pimple. Because once you figure out what is causing that particular pimple, then only you will be able to remove those pimples or acne or those sensitivity from your skin. So I guess this video was helpful to many of you people, because mostly in YouTube we do not find such kind of a video. People do talk about 11 to 15 steps of skincare routine, what they use for their skin, or they talk about particular products. But ultimately everybody is different. Everybody have a different skin. Once you have an oily skin, I too have an oily skin, does not matter that you are going to have the same problem what I do face. Maybe I have some other health issues going on. Maybe my skin is not that much reactive or allergic to some product. So try to figure out what is just perfect for you. And thanks for watching. Thanks if you are following me for last 2 to 3 videos. I love you people. Please do subscribe to my channel. Please do share if you find that anybody out there, any one of your friend will be benefited just seeing this video. Thanks for watching. If you want to know something regarding any of the topic related to this area, do leave a comment. I'll try to figure that out. I'll try to reply you. Otherwise I'll try to make out a new video regarding this. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Love you people.